Hi everyone, it's Cooking with Denise. I haven't been feeling a little bit too good because I had to get a minor surgery yesterday. I had to get a mole removed for a biopsy. I went to dermatologist just for the safe side of getting them checked out. Well, so I'm have my leftover soup that I had frozen. I defrosted it and cooked it. This is my order, so pretty much like chicken soup almost. But has a lot more stuff going on for it though. You put cheese, you put lemon, you got the stock, you got carrots and chicken, onion. It's close to chicken soup, but just a different version, more flavorful. And the Greeks made it really famous, so that's their soup. Every nationality has something. Like Jewish people have the chicken soup. Italians have their version with pastini, like whatever. I'm not talking on myself today. Every Every culture has their soup. So I like this soup. I made this recently for the first time. It is really good, flavorful, with the lemon in it. It's really good. Not overly lemon, but it's pretty good with the cheese in it. So I wanted to share my lunch and I hope everyone has a safe weekend. Bye.